I'm Kate, and I'm going to be bringing you on a ride along with Seamus today from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. to see what the day in the life of one of our truckers is like. Alright, we're about to get on the road, and I'm with Seamus.
Hi. Hi.
And here's Dixie. She's not just backwards, but... Alright.
So, the plan for today, we just got in the truck. We're going to sign in, go on duty, do some pre-trip, and then the run today is going to be down near Madison in Wisconsin at a place, BCP Transport in Deerfield. So it'll be a good hour and a half, hour 45 run, and that'll be our first run for today. So, all right, so this is what it looks like when you log into your electronic logging device or your ELD. I had my truck worked on last night. So we just gotta quickly reject what the mechanics did with the truck while I wasn't in it. Confirm that. And then we'll go on duty. Cool. And then we'll select our first run for the day. So as you can see, start location is in Neenah, end location is in Appleton. We'll do 207 miles for this first run, and we have 4 stops. So that's essentially what that's telling you. We'll activate it, and then we'll get started. So this basically lets my dispatch, my driver manager know that I'm in the truck, about ready to start the day, and now we can begin the pre-trip. So, cool.
There we go.
Alright, now we're on our way. So just picked up the bills. It tells us basically where we're going. We're currently in the GNC shipping office. The best way to describe this place is kind of like air traffic control, but for trucking. This is Amanda. She's really nice.
I'm really nice.
She takes a lot of my phone calls when I get in trouble, or I have questions, so she's nice. And then real quick, driver manager Jeff, and then planner Adam. I don't know if you can see him.
A little bit, yeah.
They're part of PTI. They're what I call the brain. They get everything figured out so that I can just drive the truck. So. It's part of it.
Oh yeah.
That wasn't a great coupling either, but I'll forgive myself.
There we go. Alright, just got our trailer. Alright, just getting on the road after getting our trailer. There we go. The dog in here?
She's still sitting.
Yes. She looks so happy.
You can lay down next to you. And then we're at a Quick Trip. And if you're in Wisconsin, you know Quick Trip.
Oh yeah.
If you ever visit Wisconsin, visit a Quick Trip and then you'll find out for yourself. Cool, so we just got done with the first run of the day. We're decoupling, we're gonna drop the trailer, and then we're gonna head to get our second run. So, and what's nice about these new trucks is we get a button to decouple. We don't have to go outside and undo the latch. So, it's nice to have that kind of technology. And then ta-da, that's it. Now we're all ready for the second run.
Alright, back at the yard getting our second trailer. It's time to road to Appleton. Back on the road again.
gotta kick it a little right. Just a little off.
All right, just got done for the day. We're ready to go.
Good job, Kate. That was a 7.5 hour day that turned into an 11-hour day,
Yeah.
and that can happen. So good job.
Appreciate it.
Great endurance. So essentially we got back at around 1. We got tasked with the third run over to Sheboygan Falls, which is about an hour and a half-ish away from the plant. So it was about a 3-hour run. It is now 4:47. So I think we started the day like 11 hours ago.
Yeah.
So that was an 11-hour day.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good. That's a pretty good day.
Yeah.
So we just parked the truck. I got to finish up some tablet work, but otherwise all wrapped up for the day.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Learned a lot about trekking today. A lot of good stories.
yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
Good talks. Yeah. It
And
was
then-
great.
Dixie, did you learn anything today?
Yes.
Dixie, we gotta. I know.
Dixie's word of the day here.
What'd you?
Okay.
There we go. Anything to say, Dixie?
Great input.
Anything to say for the end of the video?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Big words from Dixie. All right.